we are looking at how to pronounce these legal terms and more legal terms as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So this is from Old French, meaning who is living, who lives, the one who lives, essentially. Two different ways of pronouncing it. Cestui que vit, cestui que vit, or cestui que vit. So essentially the S might be silent for the word cestui que vit, because it's all French, where we don't know exactly how it was pronounced, and it was likely to be pronounced before two different ways depending on the region of France where it was said. That's why cestui que vit or cestui que vit. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more pronunciations. Thanks for watching.